The pin button feature in UiFlow2 allows users to customize buttons via pins. Under the functional expansion section on the left, expand hardware, select the built-in pin button feature, and click confirm to load the module. In the Blockly list, under the hardware directory, you will see the loaded pin button Blockly module. Drag the pin button module to the workspace. After initializing the pin button function module, you can proceed with development and programming. The following demonstration will show how to use the custom button click functionality of Cores 3 and Unit dual button to implement a cumulative value operation. If you don't have a unit dual button, you can also DIY one by yourself.